Jason. Man better. This road started on this hill.
You said what?
This road started on this hill.
Okay.
Good. I'm impressed. You sure you ain't... Wait a minute, your helmet ain't strapped on, dude.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. Yeah, I saw you, the rut took your ass right up the...
Yeah, dude. Once you got me, you got me.
Dan was so worried about you. He's like, Jason, no.
Oh, I'm
We
sorry.
gotta find Jason.
Jason's all here, son of a...
I said he probably went to the trail. Let's just ride to the trail and find him. At one point, Dan cut off the trail halfway to go back to the truck and look for you. I was like, let's finish the trail. And right when he crashed, there you go. You know, there goes Jason right there. You ain't see him. He was like in a big ass rut to the right. He looked up. He said, there goes Jason right there. And then you I was like, you got hurt right when we find you.
What the fuck you put this in here? Is it right here?
Huh?
How you put this on?
You talking about the little button?
Yeah.
Well, you can just...
Like
Wait, you got to put it through both loops.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah, put it through both loops, like through both loops, then back in through the first loop. You find you're not put a helmet on. You fire. Yeah, put it. Yeah, there you go. Stick it through there, then pull it. You gotta pull it to a snug on your neck. All right. I need some new goggles.
I can't wear my lenses, my goggles. Keep fucking fogging up.
Oh, so you thought you saw me going into the entrance of the trail or whatever?
Yeah. I saw another guy because I took off late a little bit. I don't know what happened.
No, we never even went to the trail. We was in the track, and then I said when we went back to the truck, Rose said you had rolled out. So we went looking on the tracks again. I was like, he got to be in the trail.
Yeah, that's where I went and found out these bitches are hard.
Hey, you made it this far. I'm impressed.
Yeah, I was just keep trying to. But the hardest part is just I can't go critical slow because I can't put my feet down. And then after that, I can't swing my bike up. So that's the most part. Get my feet right.
This road started, man. Go back through again, man. Dan, we got to witness what? 2 tails already for Jason?
I don't think Dan nor Jason ready to go back around another lap. Dan, he's talking about himself.
Congratulations, Jason. You made it.
Yes, sir.
Now let's go back through again.
I'm going back. Oh, what? Yeah.
We ain't come through to pay $45 a ride you want.
I thought they give you like a gold medal.
You said what?
I thought they give you like a gold medal or something. That's it. Yeah.
Here's your gold medal.
Oh man. Not again.
Dan hurt his wing. Shit, I'm impressed.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, from what I've seen so far, he's moving.
Yeah. Hey, let's just say this. He's better than like Mo.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of people I've seen where it's like he's actually
Mo probably won't even fall. He'll just get off and be tired.
Yeah.
Halfway through.
It's like the times like when I was just right behind him, I was at least he's going and not hesitating and being tentative.
Definitely electric start. Boy, bro, boy. And we the same height though. See, that's crazy.
You got the same height?
Probably. I told you. 5'4". Oh, well, I'm a little bit taller. But
Yeah, I'm about to say, yeah, you look like, what are you, 5'6"?
5'7".
Yeah.
On a good day. With my high heels on.
With my boots. with my boots standing on the curb.
Right. This is one of the reasons why I won't get a big ass bike either though. Yeah. I ain't saying that's a mistake. This motherfucker moves.
Nah, I need to watch you some more Megan Bratt videos.
So what?
Megan Bratt.
Oh, the girl that get on that joint?
Yeah, she's short as shit.
Yeah.
But she got videos talking about how to, ride if you're short.
Hey, my only issue is the fall is a lot longer.
Yeah, well, yeah, because if you talk, yeah, because you know what? Before I used to stand, I used to be like, man, that shit like you're gonna get hurt more because you're standing up and shit or whatever. But it's like standing up, it's like the
bike move around.
Yeah, but you let the bike do it work, do its thing. It's like you fight when you sit down, you're fighting against the bike.
When that bitch tip over, you standing 10 feet in the air as opposed to.
But sometimes if I go to areas I know that's treacherous or whatever, I'll get low. I don't sit all the way down, but I'll sit lower in case I need to like
coming up the hills with all them ruts.
Yeah.
I'm not standing straight up.
No, I'm
that
like
gonna toss me the fuck off. Yeah. Like a horse. Like you on the joint like. If that made any sense.
I think you're talking about. Yeah, the funny thing is, the fucking bumps and shit, or whatever you call them. I just thought those were like man-made, but those, well, no, I just thought it was, man, like somebody was out there.
Yeah, those are like the engine.
It's from, it's from, I looked at a video and I was like, damn, that's kind of interesting how this shit's made like that.
But the crazy part about it is like it always wears, like every different bike still wear in the same spot. You try to figure out what's the second little canister
It's like, we're going to put that there to make it look cool. Don't do shit. I don't know.
Your hot start got the big ass like expansion thing.
Oh yeah.
Well, I don't know about what it do for the 4-stroke.
You want to go ride the tracks or you want to go back to the trail?
I think we'll go ride the track.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the best thing. Man, fuck that track. Let's go back to this trail. Nah, hell no. Come on, man. You only want one fucking lap. I mean, I go again, but I need to get some water, man. You get some water and you bring your ass back over here. Fuck that track. Like, I'm whooped.
Whoop from one road through.
I went around the fort the same. Like,
I'm triple your age, boy. Come on.
I went around the same place like 4 times. Well, this time you know where we at, so we'll go with you.
Look, I see you got 5.7 miles hours. You had 5.4 when I saw it earlier when we started.
You ain't did shit, basically.
You know you can pop that throttle. You got the choke on, or you just doing a?
Nah, that's why I fell over as soon as I said it. Take it all. Let's go. Hey, I would admit he faster than I expected. He don't stand